Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to start a group conversation in Facebook Messenger. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to start a group conversation on Messenger, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening your Messenger app, you can see the pen icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the pen icon, and after that you can see create a group chat option available over here. Tap on create a group chat like this and add your participants. For me it will be this guy, which is my friend, and these two, and let's head on next. But you can add as many person as you want to the group, and after adding all your participants on the group, let's tap on next. Let's enter a group name over here. You'll be required to enter a group name, demo group 1 for me, and let's tap on create on the top right corner of the screen, and you can see the group has been created. And there guys, this is how you start a group conversation on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.